I work with Okta because it's a good challenge. We connect people to their technologies, whether it's in the cloud, whether it's on their devices, or within the four walls of their offices. Therefore, we actually are handling the authentication of people from the cloud, and that's a big challenge. Bugcrowd has changed the way we approach vulnerability testing, or really just bug finding. My team can now focus on really critical areas deep within sort of the code, designing, threat modeling, early on and when we're doing the development phase. Essentially, Bugcrowd is there to always check to make sure that the application, when it's live in production, is spot on. They're part of the security program. They're scaling us both in terms of depth of the bench and breadth of what they're able to test. The benefits of the program really are efficiency, scale, and really the time to fix, really from the public forum of the program. The efficiency of bugs found through the crowd actually ends up being a much more cost-effective means of actually finding bugs. So it's very, very efficient, and it also scales my team. So it allows my team to actually focus much deeper within the development phase, and so that you get a lot more scale out of your essentially the attack team. And lastly, it's really about the public forum pushing that time to fix, really. And I can't stress that enough. Oftentimes, organizations have a tendency to be somewhat myopic about their development, somewhat myopic about their application, and so if there's something wrong, they tend to sort of keep it internal, and that tends to make things not get fixed because they think that no one else could ever find out about them. But when the public forum, or actually the crowd, is reporting bugs, then that takes away that myopia, if you will. It actually makes it quite realistic. Like, hey, this could be real, and this could be something that real, villainous people out there could find, if you want to use that term. So that that time to fix is pretty powerful. Bounty program is important there because it is public facing, so that public risk is actually very, very measurable in that sense, and so it actually creates a very good way of keeping engineering on their toes and making sure that we're addressing these findings quickly. The nice thing using Bugcrowd is that they were able to adapt and quickly leverage and build their triage program around how Okta is more of an infrastructure as a service, so that the identity cloud now can be tested externally by researchers within the Bugcrowd platform quite easily.
So Okta's been a fantastic customer to work with. They've provided us with incredible input into the product, into the crowd, into the way that we provide value to them. And that's allowed us to get better, which has then allowed us to create value in our platform that extends out to other customers. They're going out and being able to make this statement, not only to their customers, but to the hacker community, that they're ready and they're mature enough to take this type of thing on. For a security company like these guys, that's an incredibly powerful statement to make, and I'm very glad to see it happen.